How did you get into this marketing space in the first place?
So my origin story in the industry, it's a little bit of a long one, but I was fortunate enough to get into it via my cousin. He found a funnel online when he was like 13 years old and wondered how it worked and broke it down and recreated it and got into the space. A few years later, he created some Nutri products that he was selling through affiliates on an internal network, a private network.
Wow.
Um, and my first job in the industry was as his risk manager, was my first title, risk manager, which really just meant I was fighting the chargebacks with the bank, the chargebacks was receiving on the Nutri products.
Hmm.
He ended up shutting down those Nutri products and pivoting that network to a public network. And that's when I really started on the marketing side in this industry. I did everything at the old company, from affiliate manager. I worked with advertisers. I set up offers, help diagnose tracking issues with the affiliates, anything you can think of, I had my hands in. So he grew that business, ended up selling it, and then Anka reached out to
What?
me. Yeah, I was not a partner. It was all him. But no, Anka reached out to me at a really good time, and I made the switch.
So before you were working with your cousin, who started this
Mhm.
at 13, was that right?
Yeah.
He found a funnel online, recreated it, and started selling products online, and you joined him in the company. Were you also working with MaxWeb back in the day, but on the other side? Like, were you guys
Yeah,
yeah?
actually, towards the end of my time at the old network, we did run some Max Web offers,
Oh, okay,
and we
but as an
scaled them a lot.
affiliate.
That might be why Anka reached out to us. Yeah, yeah. As an affiliate, we were running a couple Max Web offers at scale.
That's cool. Is your cousin still in the space, or did he retire?
Retired for now. I'm sure he'll come back in at some point, but right now, no, he's
Yeah,
enjoying life. Just had a new baby, and all of that, so he's enjoying his time off.
wonderful. So for those people
Yeah.
who don't know what MaxWeb is, I'm sure most of the people know already, but in your words, what does MaxWeb do exactly, and what can affiliates do with MaxWeb, basically?
Yeah, so MaxWeb is an affiliate network, one of the biggest ones in the VSL space.
Mhm.
We own and operate plenty of different VSLs, and our superpower is not only creating some of the best VSLs in the industry, but compiling all of the good VSLs, whether we own them or not,
Mhm.
all in one place for affiliates to test.
Yeah. So if, for example, I'm an affiliate and I would like to enter the health space and sell products in the health space, I can go to MaxWeb and find products to promote.
Yes, thousands of different health
Yeah.
supplement VSL products for affiliates to promote.
Nice. So is that also the type of offers that work best? Health and
Yeah, that's
supplements?
by far. Sorry, I didn't mean to cut you off. Yeah, that's by
No, no.
far our bread and butter is the health supplement VSLs. As I told you, though, we are getting into lead gen and gaming as well, iGaming and sports betting. So we're not a one trick pony, but our best trick is definitely the Nutri VSLs right now.
Gotcha. And is it US mostly or also international?
So our offers actually do allow traffic all over the world. Most of them are
Okay.
worldwide. But I will say a majority of our traffic is US. Affiliates tend to target the US.
Yeah, it's the biggest market probably for
Hmm.
products like this. Nice.
Yeah,
So,
exactly.
uh,
There's money to be found in the US, so that's
yeah.
probably why the targeting ends up there.
Yeah, it's like when they say it's better to have a small piece of a big cake instead of having a big piece of a small cake. Like I always feel like in health, I mean, it's a billion and trillion dollar space anyways. Like even if there's another affiliate making 1, 2, 3 million a year, it will not take away from anyone because it's so huge.
Yeah, exactly. It's not a zero sum game. Like just because one affiliate does well and does a lot of
Hmm.
sales doesn't mean that there's less sales to be had for another affiliate. I probably shouldn't say this on a YouTube video because I don't have it fact checked, but I heard the other day that the U.S. spent about 71 billion last year on weight loss products. That, I mean, and that includes GLP-1s and stuff, but just in general, there's money being spent on health here. A lot of money being spent. So
Yeah.
yeah, it's not a zero sum game. Everybody can win.
Yeah, totally. 71 billion is also a lot. Like, and not even everyone is using affiliate marketing as well. Like, as a distribution or marketing channel. So
Exactly. But there are people here that, their wallets are ready to buy supplements and work on their health, and we're
yeah,
here to sell it to them.